Today we start the exploration from this old-fashioned hotel in the heart of Chinatown in Bangkok. Let's go! I'm walking to the old train station. This is a very practical way when you have toilet not working. If you are passionate about trains, you cannot miss to have a look to the old trains they have here. It is all in Thai, but I guess all these trains have to be at least 100 years, more or less, and they are very well maintained. I'm pretty sure they are all in perfect working condition. These ones are equipped with a caterpillar engine. Okay, today we are not traveling by train, but I think it will happen very soon. Now let's head to the heart of Chinatown. Look at this place, guys. The old Mustang Blue. If you are interested in temples, look at that. Okay, I think I don't need to say that the main attraction here is just the market. If you are in Bangkok, don't miss the chance to walk a couple of hours around Chinatown because it is really something. Thank you. Well, I needed a little break for a coffee. You know, I'm a coffee lover, so I'm trying now a coffee from Chiang Mai, iced coffee to be honest. I'm sit at the Wallflowers Cafe. They have a little spot to sit like outside on the street. I'm just randomly walking around and I just found this place a little bit interesting. TripAdvisor famous place. Thank you, Carl.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you.
The iced coffee was amazing, but be prepared, guys, because this place is not cheap. The coffee cost me 250 baht, so not cheap, but very cool. It is inevitable that at one point you will bump into a big mall. I will skip it. And if you are wondering how to arrive in Chinatown, let's say from the center of Bangkok, you can take the MRT for what? Bangkok. But now I'm hungry. Let's go to eat. Sawadika. There you go, guys. Let's have some noodles with pork, vegetables. Guys, this works like this. You put a little bit of this inside. Okay, they call it bouncy pork. Okay, thank you. Kabuka, thank you. The place is getting busy very quickly. By the way, it was 140 baht for the meal and the shinga beer. Since like 20 minutes, and yeah, I have this feeling that it is something that never ends. This seems an interesting place. I think they want to just mix the new with the old style of Chinatown. Sawadika. I just had a talk with the guys at the bar there. They told me that at night it gets a little bit more alive. I'm pretty sure that if we come back around here in, let's say, 1 year, yeah, pretty sure that this place, it will be pretty busy. The weather doesn't look good, so let's go to take some cover. I found a nice Amazon cafe at the first floor of a building in Ratchawang Road. And I just decided to have a coffee there to wait the end of the rain. The night falls and the lights turn on. This is one of the most iconic roads in Bangkok. I am heading to eating. I'm basically heading to a place that I discovered yesterday, and I also had a chat with one of the guys there, which is also a crypto guy. So we had an interesting chat yesterday night. Guys, cheers. And again, he's the master tonight. And these are the people that are always working here and serve incredible food. We have the master here. This is the big chef. Okay, another little interesting thing about Thailand. As you can see here, you have 3 different prices for every dish. And this is because they have 3 different sizes. So you can choose between small, medium and large. Look at the masters at work.
ไม่ต้องลงเยอะนะเธอมันมีเส้นใหญ่ผัดกับเส้นใหญ่นั่น
Bangkok Chinatown is one of the biggest in the world. The first Chinese community moved in here more than 200 years ago. I have no idea what is cooking, but it must be really nice because all these people are waiting in the line to have a little portion of that food. Yeah. But I will leave it for the next time. The line was too long. And yeah, the thing is that most of the time here in Chinatown, they don't speak English too much. So it's very hard to understand. And you know, when it comes to food, I need to know what I'm eating. I don't know you guys. I think that's all from the street of Chinatown. I'm gonna move to another district. And yeah, it's that moment. I hope to see you in the next episode.